What if I told you that the stubborn belly fat you've been fighting for years might not be a result of overeating, but inflammation? Even worse, some common foods and habits may be silently feeding that belly bulge, day after day. But here's the surprising part: a simple cup of tea, taken daily, could be your secret weapon to melt away belly fat in just 30 days. These aren't your average teas. They are backed by science and packed with natural compounds that boost fat burning, shrink your waistline, and reduce inflammation from the inside out. Let's dive into the 3 super teas that torch belly fat, naturally. Hello there. Welcome back to Essential Cures. 1. Green tea, the metabolism igniter. You've probably heard of green tea, but do you really know what makes it burn belly fat? The science. Green tea is rich in catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, a plant compound proven to increase fat oxidation and thermogenesis. In simple terms, it tells your body to burn more fat as energy, especially around the belly. How it works: boosts metabolism by 4 to 8% in just 24 hours. Mobilizes stored fat, especially visceral fat, the dangerous fat around your organs. Enhances fat burning, especially when combined with exercise. Study-backed. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who drank green tea extract daily lost 7.3 pounds more than those who didn't, with a noticeable reduction in waist size. Best way to drink: have 2 to 3 cups daily. Drink 1 in the morning to kickstart metabolism, and another 30 minutes before a workout to increase fat burning. 2. Ginger tea, the belly bloat buster. Ever felt like your belly is bigger not from fat, but from bloating? Ginger tea might be the cure hiding in your kitchen. The science. Ginger contains a powerful compound called gingerol, which speeds up digestion, reduces cravings, and fights inflammation, 3 major causes of belly fat. What it does: suppresses appetite naturally, making you eat fewer calories. Boosts thermogenesis, your body's internal fat-burning heat. Reduces water retention and bloating, so your belly looks flatter in days. Study-backed. Research published in Metabolism Journal found that ginger tea enhances the feeling of fullness and helps burn an extra 43 calories per cup, even without exercise. Best way to drink: brew fresh ginger slices in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink after meals to improve digestion or first thing in the morning to reduce bloating fast. 3. Turmeric tea, the inflammation eraser. Most people don't realize chronic inflammation is a hidden driver of belly fat. And turmeric? It's one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory herbs. The science. Turmeric contains curcumin, a bioactive compound that reduces inflammation, regulates blood sugar, and blocks the growth of new fat tissue. Why it works: improves insulin sensitivity, important for belly fat loss. Slows down fat accumulation by turning off fat-storing genes. Decreases oxidative stress, making it easier to burn stored fat. Study-backed. In a 30-day study, overweight participants who took curcumin lost 5% more body fat, mainly around the waist, compared to those who didn't. Best way to drink: mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm water and black pepper, to boost absorption. You can add a little ginger or honey for taste. Drink it before bed or between meals. Final tips for best results. These teas aren't magic potions. But when you drink them consistently, combine them with clean eating, add some light movement or walking, you'll see and feel a difference, especially around your midsection, in as little as 30 days. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing for more natural health tips, and sharing it with someone who might benefit.